Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back in the shop today, and we're gonna finish the lightning bolt. So what we got left to do is I'm gonna wrap here and here with twisted sterling silver, and the handle is gonna be wrapped with leather. Here's the leather right here. I've already got it cut just to save a little bit of time. And twisted silver. Almost lost this in the shop this morning. Had a fit looking for it, and I found it after I organized a little bit. So let's go. So what I'm doing is I got a couple holes drilled here, one on this side and one here, and I got a channel going to the outside so it holds that in while I wrap it. So this, I'm going to put a little layer of epoxy right there just to kind of keep everything in place once it dries. Yeah, getting there. Check this out. Now we're moving on to the leather. Almost done. So what I did was I ran a bead of super glue along the side to give it something to, at least some kind of adherence. And then when I get on the ends, I'll do another dot of super glue, and I'm going to put tacks on each side to kind of keep everything in place. Hey, all right. You guys got to see this handle. Oh my goodness. Twisted wire, leather, got tacks on both sides. It's tacks, little tacks, they're only like maybe that tall. So they're kind of a pain in the butt. But the handle's done, the fit and finish is done. And all we got to do is polish these bad boys. So if you want to stick around, it's going to be a minute. And we'll get to it. Let's go. Gotta put gloves on. It's getting hot. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty freaking excited. Wiped off, see what it looks like. Really hard to wipe this thing off with all the points. Got stuck a few times. Whew. What a project. So you got to see this thing. Start to finish, absolutely stunning. There's the handle. Oh man, I am super excited. I really appreciate you coming along with me on this journey, and I will see you next time. Thank you.